Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm J.C. Jensen. Today we're going to quickly go over the process of squaring a board. Here I have a piece of rough sawn cherry that is plain or flat sawn. It's 5/4 piece of stock, roughly 7 by 22 inches. So real simple process. We are going to, step 1, join a face. Step 2, plane a face. That makes the jointed face flat, and the opposite face parallel to the previous face is also flat. Next, step 3, we're going to joint an edge. Joining the edge so that it is 90 degrees to the adjoining face. Lastly, we put it on the table saw and rip it to the desired width, making this edge, the last edge, parallel to the jointed edge and our board square. A necessary process in our woodworking to ensure that all of our joinery is nice and tight and everything is square. So stay with me. I'm going to run through the process, show you what it looks like, and the end result. The sequence. Step 1, joint the face, make it nice and flat. Step 2, plane a face, making it parallel to the first face and flat. Step 3, we jointed an edge to make it 90 degrees to the face, which we checked with our handy dandy square on the face down the length of the board. It's square all the way through. Brought it to the table saw for step 4, where I ripped it to the desired width, giving us square, making it square to the face and parallel to the opposite edge, square all the way down the board. That's the sequence. Hope that helps. We'll see you down the road.